I wanted to make a quick video and show you why I believe everyone's buying this specific walking pad. I just picked it up last week. Here's my video. You're trying to pick it under the desk treadmill. One of the things you want to be concerned about is you don't really want to mess with the incline because you can have a lot of issues with that. You don't need some repairman coming into your house where you just need a basic under the desk treadmill. No incline here, so it's really basic. You're not going to have any issues. The track is super sturdy. It also doesn't catch it all. Really nice. Also, if you look, it's extremely compact, very low to the ground. It does have wheels, so you can and it's super lightweight, so you can easily just slide it in and out of like from a couch or a bed or anything like that. Super easy to operate. You've got the remote right here, and that just goes up and down, on and off. You can go all the way up to 3.8 miles per hour, which I can tell you is going to be way more than you need. You're using this for an under the desk treadmill. 3.8 is such a brisk walk. Most people can't even, they'll have to jog at 3.8. So this is perfect for what you want. He approves of it. Everyone's buying this treadmill. That's why I bought it. I would say if you don't get it, you don't get it.